Today, we will show you how to replace your car's gas pedal. First, use a flathead screwdriver to remove the pedal. In the video, the gray pedal is the old one and the black pedal is the new one. Take note that the smooth side of the insert is the reverse side and the notch side is the front side. Press the tab on the front of the insert with your finger to pull the insert or wire out. Repeat the same process for the second wire. When installing the new pedal, make sure the smooth side faces inward and the notch side faces outward. Finally, snap the pedal back into place. And you're all set.